Pretty easy walk, very flat, but fair way. Probably a couple of k's. Nice day today though, so no complaints. So when I called into the Lake Clifton thrombolytes, I found out one of the giants that are on display is actually here, so I thought I'd come for a walk and stumbled across it. There's one here hugging the tree. Pretty cool. A lot of work's gone into this. There's about 5 of them scattered around the area of Mandurah. This is probably the southernmost one, Lake Clifton. It's probably about 4 or 5 metres high. Yeah, he's carrying a few pounds though, so I don't know what he's been eating. Probably could go on a diet, might help him. Keeps him warm for the winter though. One of these got burnt down in December last year, unfortunately, by some vandals. And they've just replaced it with a new one, I believe, so good to go and check that one out, but I'm not sure where it is actually. Look into it. That's his hand. That's my hand. Gives an idea of how much bigger it is. Toes, feet. And its head. Yeah, it's worth coming to. Check it out.